Zibanejad scores! No! That's Pionk! Neal Pionk with his first of the season. Gives the Rangers a 1-0 lead. I'm so used to seeing Zibanejad at that spot. And there was Pionk with a rifle shot.
Well, you know what? This started with the Rangers just getting the puck in deep and then going after it. It was Zuccarello, and then eventually Domestikov sets up Pionk for the shot, and Zuccarello, after getting the play started, he'll go to the front of the net and cause a problem. And that high rising shot goes right over the shoulder of Carter Hutton, and the Rangers take the lead.
Well, we've been talking about Neal Pionk and the confidence with which he's played this season after being benched for a couple of games, and the production that he's had playing on the top defensive pair, and he's done a terrific job. And there he scores. Vesey shoots. He scores! Jimmy Vesey gives the Rangers a 2-0 lead.
Again, this is something we didn't see in the first period. Throw the puck in, go after it. This time, Brett Howden makes the play, and then a gorgeous pass. There's Howden making the play right here, and then this little backhand pass coming up, makes the move, backhand pass, Vesey the quick shot, 2-0 just like that.
2 goals in 19 seconds for the Rangers.